let's talk electric log splitters. They got a bad rap, I think. I've had this unit here for probably about 12 years. They're really worthwhile, I think anyways. I'm not a big fan of small engines. I don't like the smell of exhaust. I don't like the noise. This is nice and quiet, like even when it's being operated. Like it's not terribly loud. I don't know why people think they need a 20-ton or 25-ton log splitter. I've split some pretty large pieces of wood on this one. Usually I'll use this when I get a piece that I either just can't get it split with an axe, or I'm just tired and I don't feel like using an axe on such a large piece, or a tough spit piece that's got like knots and stuff in it. There's all kinds of different brands of these things out there. They're all, I suspect, made by the same companies. Probably China, made in China somewhere. Like, getting back to this particular unit, as I said, I've had it for about 12 years now, maybe a little longer, and I just leave it outside. This sucker stays outside. I do cover it up. I have a, one of those rubber floor mats that you get. Oh, it's right here. One of these. I just throw that over top of it, and that's it. It's put away. I don't leave it right here where I'm using it. I have another spot that I store it, but it is stored outdoors. Probably not the best. As far as using it, I haven't used it in super cold weather. Like we get -20, -30 weather sometimes. I've never used it in that kind of weather. In cold weather, down to 0, maybe a little below, it still works just fine. I'm not sure if the really cold weather would have an effect on it because of the hydraulic fluid getting thick and whatnot. I haven't even replaced the hydraulic fluid in this thing in that 12 years. I think I might have topped it up once when I spilled some out. Yeah, I guess this year, just like any other year, I've had to sort of lubricate parts when I go to use it because it sits for so long, so stuff gets kind of frozen up with rust or whatnot. So yeah, I guess this is hickory that I'm splitting now, and the reason I'm using the machine is because hickory is just a bit of a pain in the ass to split, so I figure why not use this for that. As you can see, there's a good knot on this one. Obviously there was a branch here at some point that broke off, so we'll see how this does. I'm going to try going right in the middle with it and see if that works this time. Sometimes it doesn't. What you saw, split that pretty decently. All things considered. That would be one of the downfalls that I have with this particular unit, is the stroke of the anvil, I guess. It doesn't push, like it stops. Well, as you can see, it's about 6 inches from the 6 inches from the wedge. It just seems to me that here in North America we get a little carried away with horsepower and bigger is better. Sometimes it's just about getting the job done. I guess usually it should just be about getting the job done. Chipmunk. I don't know, I just not a fan of spending money. I took early retirement so that I could live life on my own terms. And those terms don't include spending the money that I've earned over my career. And I don't know. It just seems like, if nothing else, being out here, it's nice and quiet. Hear a few birds chirping, the wind's blowing, nice breeze. Why do I ruin that with small engine exhaust and small engine noise and I don't know, whatever floats your boat, I guess. Like I said, a couple $100, 12 years. Annual cost of operation is pretty damn cheap. So yeah. I guess all that's just to say that I would recommend getting one of these things. Stop just falling into the trap of bigger is better and worrying about, I don't know, what the appearance is, I guess. I don't know. Most people think these are silly, but I think I'm proof positive, anecdotally of course, but proof positive that you know, it's not the tools, it's the person operating the tools. You know, you just change the way you do things a bit. Yeah. I guess I'll leave it there. Hope this was helpful. Actually, I don't even know if I hope this is helpful. I guess I'll leave it there. Maybe somebody will get some benefit out of this. Just make up your own mind. Don't worry about what anybody else thinks, me included. All right, take care.